Good morning, children. I'm back again with TuxPaint few more tools. Children, please watch the video repeatedly so that you understand the concept easily. And now onwards, I will be using a mix of language so that you understand the tools of TuxPaint easily. Okay, so let's get started and revise what all we have learned yesterday. Okay. Let us revise what did we learn yesterday. Children, left side of the TuxPaint, what all we are able to see are the tool section of the TuxPaint, correct? These are the tool sections. What are tools? These are the things which help us to do painting on our canvas. ये वो सारी चीजें हैं जो हमको पेंटिंग करने में हमारी मदद करेगा. अगर आपको if you want to draw any painting on your book, what all you want? अगर आप अपने बुक पे पेंटिंग करते हो तो आपको क्या क्या चीजों की जरूरत पड़ती है? You need a brush, correct? Or you need crayon colors, or you need watercolors, correct? आपको पेंसिल की जरूरत पड़ती है. Yes or no? You need pencils, right, to do drawing? Yes. I'm not talking about TuxPaint here, okay? मैं यहाँ पर TuxPaint की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. If at all you want to draw a drawing in your drawing book, अगर आप अपनी ड्राइंग बुक में कर रहे हो तो आपको किन किन चीजों की जरूरत पड़ती है? यस, आपको पेंसिल की जरूरत पड़ती है, आपको रबर की जरूरत पड़ती है, आपको स्केल की जरूरत पड़ती है, देन आपको कलर्स की जरूरत पड़ती है कि नहीं? यस. तो ये वो सारी चीजें हैं जब हम लोग ड्राइंग करते हैं. द टाइम व्हेन वी डू ड्राइंग in the notebook or text in the drawing book, we need all these things. So what do we call for these things? We call it as tools. Now if the same drawing you're doing on the computer, you also need the same thing, correct? बिना ब्रश के आप ऐसे पेंटिंग करोगे? So see, we have painting gears, paint brushes is there, correct? And stamps are nothing but different stickers, children. There are different stickers available in TuxPaint which you can use it on your. और वो स्टिकर्स क्या होते हैं? स्टैम्प्स के अंदर अलग अलग स्टिकर्स होते हैं. जैसे आपके पास स्टिकर्स होते हैं ना, आपके पास कार्टून के स्टिकर्स होते हैं, टेडी बेयर के स्टिकर्स होते हैं, बारबी के स्टिकर्स मिलते हैं कि नहीं? तो यू विल यूज इट टू स्टिक हियर एंड देयर एंड मेक इट मोर अट्रैक्टिव. तो वैसे ही स्टिकर्स हमारे TuxPaint में भी अवेलेबल है. आपको बस वहां से उठाना है और अपने पेंटिंग कैनवस एरिया में डालना है. आई बात समझ में? नाउ सी हियर लाइंस. अगर आपको एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनानी है तो आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको स्केल की जरूरत है. पर हमारे TuxPaint में तो स्केल है ही नहीं. बट वी हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड लाइंस. तो देखो, अगर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ ड्रॉ करूंगी, देखो लाइन स्ट्रेट आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? यस, सी हाउ द लाइंस आर कमिंग स्ट्रेट. तो उसके लिए हमारे पास लाइंस है. अगर आपको अपने पेंटिंग में कुछ लिखना हो, अपना नाम लिखना हो, इफ यू वांट टू राइट योर नेम इन द पेंटिंग, व्हाट विल यू डू? You have to have some tool, right? So this is like this. So these are the different tools which you use it. And we have something called magic tool. See, eraser है हमारे पास, रबर हमारे पास, मैजिक टूल है. मैजिक टूल से हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं ये मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी. I'll tell you what we can do with the magic tool in a later section. अब जब अगर हम लोगों ने ब्रश लिया, ठीक है, अब ब्रश अरे ये ब्रश तो बहुत पतला है. See, you know it, right? We have different size of brushes and we have different size of crayon. आपके पास जो crayon pencils, crayons होते हैं ना, वो भी आपके पास अलग अलग साइज के हैं, है कि नहीं? बताइए, है ना? तो the same way, how you have different size of crayons, we have different sizes of brush also. अब तो मैंने यहाँ से brush select कर लिया और मुझे कैसे select करना है? माउस का लेफ्ट क्लिक दबा के, माउस का लेफ्ट क्लिक दबा के, ठीक है. अब अगर हम लोगों ने ब्रश सेलेक्ट कर लिया, तो अगर ये वाली ब्रश आपको लगती है कि बहुत पतला है, आपको पेंटिंग करने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है, यू आर यूजिंग इट but then it is taking much of time, what you should do, see here, आपके पास अलग अलग at the right side in the selector section we have different types of brushes. ये अलग अलग तरीके के brushes हैं यहाँ पे selector में. आप जो टूल इस्तेमाल करोगे उससे रिलेटेड अलग अलग वैरायटी के ब्रशेस, अलग अलग वैरायटी के इमेजेस आपको राइट हैंड साइड पे मिलेंगे. और ये राइट हैंड साइड का जो सेक्शन है हम उसको क्या कह के बुलाते हैं? व्हाट डू वी कॉल फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन? वी कॉल इट एज सिलेक्टर सेक्शन. व्हाट इट इज? Selector. Left hand side we have tools and right hand side we have selectors. Now when I click on paint, I have different brushes here. When I click on stamp, I have different stamps on my right side. If I go for lines, see, I have different types of lines. I can use it. I can go for this, see, like this. I can make different shape lines. Then if I select shapes, tools, I have different shape tools available in the selector section. I hope this was clear. Quickly, जो अपना white portion है, हम लोग जहां पर पेंटिंग करते हैं व्हाइट पेपर पे करते हैं ना, तो हमारे टक्स पेंट में भी वो व्हाइट कलर का पेपर है. द टक्स पेंट इज आल्सो हैविंग दिस व्हाइट कलर सेक्शन. वो उसको हम क्या 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 बुलाते हैं? व्हाट डू वी कॉल फॉर दैट? वी कॉल इट एज कैनवस. करेक्ट. और हमें पेंटिंग करने, क्या हमें ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट ही पेंटिंग अच्छी लगती है? नो, वी नीड कलर्स. करेक्ट. तो कलर्स के लिए हमें कहाँ जाना है? यहाँ कलर पैलेट्स है. देखो यहाँ पर कितने सारे कलर्स हैं हमारे पास. अगर आपको इफ यू वांट मोर कलर्स, ये सारे कलर्स के बाद में लास्ट में यू कैन सी वन ब्लैक कलर हियर. Not this one, the last one here. Can you just see my finger where it is pointing? This. अगर आप इस पे क्लिक करोगे, when you click on this, see ये बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा. तो आपको क्या करना है? What are you supposed to do? Just take your mouse whichever color you want and click there. आप अपने माउस को उधर ले जाइए और उस पे क्लिक कर दीजिए. वो वाला कलर आपके पास आ जाएगा and then you can use it. See, मैंने ऑरेंज कलर लिया और ऑरेंज कलर का बॉक्स बन गया क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ से स्क्वायर सेलेक्ट किया हुआ था. ठीक है. और नीचे मैंने बोला था चिंपांजी क्या है? ये हमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस देता है कि आपको वो वाला टूल कैसे यूज करना है. ठीक है. अब मेरे पास कौन सा टूल सेलेक्टेड है? कैन यू सी? ये ब्लू कलर में दिख रहा है ना. तो ये अब हम लोगों ने शेप सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है और सेलेक्टर में मैंने स्क्वायर का सेलेक्ट किया है. फ्रॉम द शेप्स आई हैव सेलेक्टेड, फ्रॉम द टूल्स आई हैव सेलेक्टेड शेप्स and from the selectors I have selected square shape. Now what is this chimpanzee telling me? Pick a shape, select, click to pick the center, drag it, then let it go when the size you want to. So आपको whatever size you want to, just drag it. If you want bigger, keep it bigger. How you should do by pressing, keeping the left click press. When the desired size is found, जब आपको जो साइज चाहिए उतना साइज हो मिल गया हो तो आप वहां पर लेफ्ट क्लिक को छोड़ दीजिएगा. See, I want a small one, so I will drag it and I'll squeeze it, and wherever I feel in my sizes, I have got my size. See, can you see on my screen? I will leave the left click. See, I've left the left click and my square is ready. So we have learned the different elements, right? Quickly we will go. We have seen, we read everything yesterday. Color palette, the color section has also help area हम लोगों ने देखा. Today we are going to start up with few more tools of our tux paint. Now what it is? New tool. What it is? New matlab? What do you mean by new? New is new. In Hindi, if you want to say new means naya. If you want to draw, imagine you have drawn one painting and it is over and you want to draw a new painting. You want to draw a new painting. What are you supposed to do? This tool is used to display a new canvas. Yes, you want to draw a new painting. Plus, our tux paint gives different styles of canvas area for us. हमारे paint tux paint में अलग-अलग तरीके के canvas available है. Let's see how to use this tool. Select the new tool from the tool section. A list of options will display. Choose an option, click on the open button. Let's do it. See, when you click on new tool, one window will open in front of you. I'll just show you. See, yes, these are the different styles of canvas. हमारे पास अलग-अलग color papers है. We have different types of color paper for drawing also, right? Not only white, we get many different color papers. You will be using in your schools, right? The same way we have here also. When you click on new, see, we have white color paper, black paper, orange, red, yellow, blue, pink, and all. Not just this. Can you see one arrow mark, down arrow mark? Just click on that one. Click on that one. See how many different types of color paper is there. You can choose whichever picture you want to use it and keep it. Let us try a few different things. Okay, I want to color this hen. I will select it. So what you have to do? You have to select, go and click on that image. What you're supposed to do? You have to go and click on that image and click on open. See, my hen is in front of me. Did I draw this one? No, I did not draw this one. This is a ready-made image. I just have to take brush. I'll take a brush and I have to just do painting. Now what will I do? I have selected the brush. And see, I'll take a image. I want red color. See, I will start putting color inside this one. See how nicely I'm doing it. Are you seeing it? If there is some extra thing, I can erase it. If my color goes out, I can erase it. See how nicely it is happening. How am I doing? I'm doing using mouse. Can you see on the screen? I am pressing left click and doing it. Pressing left click and doing it. Keep your left click pressed and move your mouse to fill the color. आपको बस क्या करना है? लेफ्ट क्लिक को दबा के रखना है बच्चों. आपको लेफ्ट क्लिक को दबा के रखना है. अगर आप दबाओगे तो आपका ब्रश कलर करेगा वहां पे. कहाँ पे? कैनवस एरिया पर. और जब आपका पेंटिंग खत्म हो जाए आप लेफ्ट क्लिक छोड़ दीजिए और माउस को हिलाइए. वो पेंट नहीं करेगा. See, this is the way you do coloring here. Let us follow once more. Yes, now you have to do it. Please, whoever has downloaded the TuxPaint, please follow the step which I'm going to do it. Okay, first everybody click on new. Once you click on new, a selection box will appear, right? We have got these many. Click on the down arrow mark here in the pink section with down arrow mark. Take your mouse there. Take your mouse on the arrow. अपने mouse को उस arrow पर लेके जाइए and then press click it. Keep clicking. One time click, second time click, third time click, fourth time click. See, you're clicking it, right? See, we have so many. We have a bird, we have car, we have a castle, see, checkerboard, we have turtle, elephant, fish, and we have different border for your painting, right? You can just take these borders also. See, we have flag, we have hat, we have aeroplane, we have car. See, we have rocket also. See, different types of design. You can just take directly. Let me take a scenery. I will take this scenery. How you should do? Go and select whichever background you want. See, we have a tractor. We have different globes also. Yes. See, we have different sceneries which we can use it in our painting. Yes. So simply, first let us take this aeroplane. Okay, I am taking, go and click on the aeroplane. Just click on the aeroplane and can you see here, come down. Can you see here a green color option? Green color, what it is? It is open, O-P-E-N, open, right? Click on that. So once you select whichever image you want to take it and click on Open. It will ask you whether the previous one, whichever you have opened, do you want to save? Just say, no, don't bother saving. Click on this cross option. See, my aeroplane has come. Now what you will do? Click on paintbrush. Select any brush, whichever you want. For me, now I will take the first, second, third, fourth option. I am clicking on fourth option and I want gray color aeroplane. So I'll take this third. I'll go and select the color. Now I have selected the gray color and now I am doing, let's do the painting. I will, how am I doing? By pressing left click. Keep your left click pressed and drag your mouse here and there and fill the colors. Don't worry if the colors goes out, because we have eraser tool, right? With the help of eraser tool, those extra colors which we have come out, we can erase it here like this. This is the way you're supposed to do the painting using new tool. We have lot many options. Let us try one more thing with the new tool. Okay, I will not take any ready-made image. I just want a background. Instead of white paper, I will go for pink paper. So what I am supposed to do? Click on new, select the background whichever you want, select the paper whichever you want. I am selecting pink paper here. Then what you are supposed to do? Yes, come to this green color open option. Come and click on this. I'm clicking on this. So it will say save your picture. Whatever picture you have done previously, do you want to save that? As of now, we don't want. So I'll say no. See, now I got pink color paper. Here I will take any brush. I want to make a house. Okay. I will take a house. What color I want? I'll take black color. So that, see, now I'm making with the help of mouse, left click, draw. See, I am drawing a house. Yes, very simple, correct? See how nicely we can be doing this. See, my house is ready. How did I do? I changed the background using new tool, taking a new canvas, and then using paint. And I've drawn a house. I have selected paintbrush. Then I selected the type of brush, and then I selected back color. And let me make the roof brown color. So for that, I'll select brown color first, and then I'll start filling the color inside this one. See? Yes, see, my roof is ready with the brown color. Like this, even you can fill the colors of whatever drawing you're making in your computer touch screen. Interesting, right? Let us take the next one. What tool? Paintbrush tool. Now we have seen the paintbrush tool many times, right? This tool is used to draw or paint a picture. The paint tool will be selected by default. To use this tool, see, हमें ये पेंट ब्रश उठाना है तो अलग अलग पेंट्स पिक्चर को ड्रॉ करने के लिए the paint tool will help us to select the default. See, मतलब क्या है, अगर जैसे ही आप लोग टक्स पेंट यूज कर ओपन करते हो, बाय डिफॉल्ट मतलब कंप्यूटर अपने आप पेंट ब्रश को ही सेलेक्ट करके रखता है. फर्स्टली इट विल नॉट बी स्टैम्प सेलेक्टेड, लाइन सेलेक्टेड, शेप सेलेक्टेड. इट इज paint selected. Let us try how it is. Okay, I am closing this particular. Yes, I am done. No. See, मैंने अभी क्या किया है, पेंट ब्रश को I have closed the tux paint. Now what am I supposed to do? Go to start menu and select tux paint. मेरे दोनों हाथ, I'm not going to touch any of the tools. I'm not going to see, I'm not going to touch any of the tools. My hands are up. Now tell me which tool is selected. It is the paint tool, correct? It is the paint tool, and in the brush section, first brush will be selected. Yes, by default, मतलब कंप्यूटर अपने आप इन चीजों को पहले से ही select करके आपके लिए रखता है. So if you want to make any changes, then you have to select the different brushes. If I want to select any other tool, select there. But by default, computer will have paintbrush selected. To use the select tool, select the paintbrush tool from tool section. आपको यहाँ पर click करना है. Let us click on this paintbrush. Select any brushes, any brush from brushes section. So now I have selected the paintbrush tool. Now from brush section, I have to select the different brushes. Let me take an arrow. Keep the left mouse button pressed. See, I said you right in my previous bit before. When you are doing painting, you should keep the left mouse button pressed. आप जब painting कर रहे हो, तो आपको अपना left click दबा के रखना होगा, ठीक है? और उसको ड्रैग करिएगा. आप अपने मुंह लेफ्ट क्लिक प्रेस करते हुए आप अपने माउस को यहाँ वहां शेक कीजिए, तो आपका इमेजेस बनेगा. सी नाउ, सी कैसे एरो बनता जा रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने एरो वाला ब्रश सेलेक्ट किया था यहाँ से, करेक्ट. लेट अस सी व्हाट इट इज. ओके, लेट अस ट्राई फ्यू मोर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ ब्रशेस. पेंट ब्रश तो सेलेक्टेड है, मैंने एरो ब्रश सेलेक्ट किया था. नेक्स्ट आई विल ट्राई, ओके, आई विल सी दिस फ्लावर वन. फ्लावर करके आपको कैनवस एरिया, सेलेक्ट द फ्लावर ब्रश, कम टू कैनवस एरिया एंड प्रेस. सी कैसे फ्लावर बनते जा रहे हैं. Yes, this is the way you can do it. Let us try few more. Okay, I'll take this cat. Let me see how cat images will come. See, I'm pressing. I have kept my left click pressed. See, कैसे mouse भागता हुआ आ रहा है. Cat, sorry, mouse नहीं cat. See, कैसे cat भागता हुआ आ रहा है. Yes, now it is black color. Oh God, मेरे को black color बस हो गया. मुझे, if I want to go for some other color, let me try pink color. Let's see how this pink color cat is running. See how it is running. This is the way I can use it. Now let me try some more different. Okay, something like this spiral one. And I have selected spiral brush. What color shall we take? We'll take a red color spiral. See, let us see how it is. It is just like our Rangoli design, right? See, this way when you take your brush, see, it is like this kind of brush. Let us try some more. Okay, I have something cute there here. So I'll take blue color for the boys. Let's just try. See how my squirrel is ready. See how it is happening. Children, I am not leaving the left click. I'm just dragging it. See, mera apne aap how the brush stroke is coming. Now let me try this green color leaf, and let me keep it as green color only. Let us see how it, see, it is looking like creeper, correct? See, green color border. Very nice. See how nicely we have different tools. Let me try this one also. This particular shaded one, I'll take a purple one. See kis tarah se. Correct, children? Now it is your homework. Please do practice in your houses how to use the brush tools and different kinds of brushes. So what all we learned today? We learned two new tools, new tool and paint tool. New tool is used to change the canvas. We, instead of taking a white color canvas, you can change the different canvases of different color. Plus there are ready-made drawing already made by the Tux Paint. You can select that and color it. Yes, and if you don't want to change from here, imagine by mistake you have clicked on new and you don't want to select anything. What you are supposed to do? Are you supposed to do open? No, children, open only we will We will click on open only when we are selecting something. But if you don't want to select, there is one more option called back, go back option. So this, click on back. It'll come back to your paper. So this was your new tool. Then paint tool. Paint tool is a brush tool. Using this one, you can select from the tool, you can select from the brushes what type of brush you want and what color you want. Select it and then do on your screen. I hope you have understood. If there is any doubt, please write in the comment box or directly message me up. I will be able to help you out. The next few tools, there are more tools we will be seeing in our next video. Until then, bye-bye.